All right. There was a couple of questions on how to do some more stuff with all this variable text. Sorry about the background noise, guys. I do have the laser running. It's that time of year. But I wanted to go over, like, if we are making a seating chart for a wedding. So let's say I have these 40, 50, whatever they are, seating table top things where it's got the name and the table. So here is the file I have for that. Let me pull this in here. So my first row in my Excel file is going to be the table they are sitting at. The second row is going to be their name. So with that in mind, and I've got it saved, table seating names. With that in mind, when I go to pull in my CSV file, I want to make sure I've got my %0 as my first column and my %1 as my second column. So if you're looking at Excel, table A or tables are in the A, which is going to be %0. And then names are going to be in column B, which is going to be %1. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, so let me show you this. I'm going to go into LightBurn. I am in the variable text window found under your Windows menu. I'm going to go into LightBurn, go into variable text. I'm going to browse. I'm going to pull up my file, seating table names, hit OK. So now I've got my file here, and then I'm going to go ahead and test this. Let me pull this over so you guys can see. So when I hit test, I now have my table number with my name. And I did that by assigning 0 to column A and 1 to column B. Now, if you're going to have more lines of this, you're going to have C, D, E, F. It's just going to be starting with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So hopefully you guys understand this. And of course, if you want to learn more or take deep dives into any of this stuff, you can take any of my courses. JonesLaserCraft.com. There is a great beginner LightBurn course in there. And of course, we'll be doing boot camp again in January. Or just reach out to me, guys. I'm here to help, and I hope y'all are having a wonderful day.